Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into Amazon tool deals, and these are either going to be items that I believe to be really good deals or items that are on sale right now, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like the idea of this video, please drop a comment down in the comment section. If you guys think I should make this like a monthly thing, I'll try and go through every month, find the best tool deals I can or items I believe to be really good deals, and I will put together a video for you guys. If you guys like that idea, please let me know down below. Other than that, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But today we're going to be starting off with some Tekton tools as well as many other brands. Sometimes you can find Tekton tools for a really good price on Amazon, but also keep in mind that Tekton tools website is probably the best place to buy Tekton tools majority of the time, just because you get that 10% back in rewards, where if you spend $100 you get $10 back to spend the next time you purchase something from the Tekton website. So there are going to be some Tekton tools on here, but there are some other brands as well that I want to share with you guys, and some other deals I believe to be really good. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into this. So first up, we have the Tekton 3/8 drive 6-point socket set, and you can also get these sets in 12-point or 6-point. It doesn't matter. You can get it in just metric or just SAE, or you can get a combination of both. This is the SAE and metric. You see the part number here. It's running $67, and it is going to include 8 through 19 as well as 5/16 through 3/4. Now the great thing about a majority of Tekton tools is they don't skip sizes, so that's really nice. When you get a set, you get a full set. So here, just kind of a close-up look. Up top you have the SAE deep wells, a 6-inch extension, a 3-inch extension, the shallow sockets in SAE, and then moving down below, the exact same setup. You got 8 through 19 in deep well and in shallow, and then you got your 90-tooth ratchet down below with quick release and your universal joint. Great thing about Tekton tool sets are they don't include all those miscellaneous little items that you'll never use. So it's $67.90. It's normally $75, so a good savings there. Next up being the ERNST Bit Boss. I love this. I own it. Also keep in mind that I have all of these on a separate list, but when you guys watch this video, if you check out the tools link down below, all of these items will be on the tools link, so they're easy for you guys to find. So moving into this ERNST Bit Boss, this thing's great. I have the ERNST Socket Boss, which I use to organize all of my sockets. Well, I recently picked this up maybe a year and a half ago to organize all of my bits, and it is fantastic. As you can see, I purchased it just over a year ago, so January 16, 2019. You can also get this in a high visibility, as you can see here, almost like a lime green yellow color. And just like the Socket Boss, these rails do slide out, so if you want to just grab, it's a 2-rail system, so if you want to pull one completely out and not pull the entire tray out, you can do so. And for under $20, I believe that to be a great deal. Next up is the Tekton 1/2-inch drive 6-point socket set. You're going to have 10 through 20, shallow and deep. Then moving down below, you have 21 through 32 in both shallow and deep. Then you have the 1/2-inch drive 90-tooth ratchet, as well as a 6-inch or a 10-inch extension, and a 3-inch extension and a U-joint. And then you just have some miscellaneous space over here where they didn't throw in all of your extra accessories that you don't use. They also, on the Tekton website, sell all 3 of their drive sizes, 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive, for somewhere around $350, and then you get that 10% back. That's a good savings right there, and I believe that to be a great set. They're great sockets, great ratchet, and as you can see here, they also include a breaker bar. Now everything on this list also is 4.5 to 5 stars, and a majority of them have hundreds to thousands of reviews. This one only has 23, but I own a majority of these pliers and really enjoy them. These USA made ones, their tongue and groove up here and their 2 slip joints down here are going to be USA made, I believe by Wild. And then you have their other non-USA made pliers thrown in here, their diagonal side cutters, needle nose, and lineman pliers. All great pliers. and priced very well. This is a $70 set, so you're looking at maybe, $11, $12 a pair. So it's great pricing for what you're getting there. Next up, here's the 1/4 inch set at $56, normally $60, so a couple dollars in savings there. And you get your extensions up top. This is both SAE and metric. So here you can see all of that, all the way up to 9/16 from 5/32. And then down below you have you have your 4.5 and 5.5, all the way up to 14. Then you have your universal joint, you have your bit adapter, your bit screwdriver, as well as your 90-tooth ratchet. I like these sets. I think they're great sets. And once again, you can get all three together and save a little bit of money through the Tekton website. Next up is a Capri item. This is their 3/8 drive, low profile, flex head ratchet. This is 72 tooth. It is a really nice ratchet though. It's clean. I've heard great things about it. I personally haven't used it, but I've heard really good things about it, and it has great reviews. 367 reviews at 4.5 stars for $24, normally $35. So another great deal going on there. I actually own these and have really enjoyed them. I didn't use wobbles for impact extensions very often, mainly because I never really saw them. But once I got them, they are very handy to have. As you can see, I purchased this back in August of 2017. All around great little wobble extensions, especially for impact. So just kind of some information on it, where you can see it also comes in that blow molded case. I have both the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sets, and they're fantastic, and it's really nice that they come with that organizer. So if you have the space, that organizer is very nice. Running at $36 for the 1/2 inch set and $25 or $26 for the 3/8 drive set. The list price at $35. Next up is the Tekton combination wrench set. Now they have a lot of different combination wrench sets. This is just one that I felt was a really good deal. $130. This one was on sale, I want to say, for $125. Still a really good price, especially for the amount of wrenches you're getting. You're getting a 30-piece set from 1/4 inch to 1 inch and 8 to 22. I have really enjoyed Tekton's wrenches, not just their USA made ones, but all of their other wrenches as well. They've really done a good job re-engineering them. The chrome is fantastic on them. They don't have any anti-slip feature in the open end of the wrench. They are a 12-point box end, but they're very nice, and they do seem to be a little bit longer than your standard wrenches. So $130 for that set there. Next up is a set that I haven't used, but I've heard quite a few people talking about lately, because Tekton has their angle wrench set out, made in the USA, and it is fantastic. The first set I believe is starting at $120, which is a really, really nice set. But once again, some people don't use them all that often and can't justify that price. And then Sunex, I want to say, recently released these, or at least now people are starting to talk about them. This is their angled wrench set from 6 up to 19 millimeter. They have stamped size markings and then laser engraving there in the center. Sunex. So overall, I've heard some good things about this set. It's 4.5 stars at 258 ratings right now for $44. I think that's a decent deal, at least worth checking out if you're looking for an affordable angled wrench set. So 14-piece set, 9 through 19 millimeter. Next up is Sunex impact sockets. Sunex is very well known for their impact sockets. Sunex and Gray Pneumatic, if you're looking for impact sockets that are very affordable and reliable, Sunex and Gray Pneumatic make some great stuff. But you have to be careful and buy them through an authorized dealer, otherwise that warranty might be a pain. So here you have the 3/8 drive master set. It's 42 pieces, SAE and metric, 15 or 5/16 through 3/4 and 8 through 19, and it is going to run roughly $62. This has 5 stars at 999 ratings, and here you can just kind of see the sockets themselves. So deep well and shallow sockets, 8 through 19. You have your universal impact socket extension, as well as your SAE sockets as well. Next up is another Sunex product. This is their mini ratchet bit set. This is a great little set. I used to have it. I let a friend borrow it, and I haven't seen it since. So be careful when lending your tools out. So here you have your little bit extension bar. You have your small ratchet, as well as all your bits. You have Torx, flathead, tamper-proof Torx, Allens, and Phillips. So a good selection of bits there, and it comes in a nice little carrying case. And it is $22 instead of the list price being $35. Then we have the Sunex half-inch drive master socket set, this one at $143. A 43-piece set, metric, 9 through 30, standard and deep sockets. You can also get a combination of SAE and metric as well. This is just their master metric set. So there you can see you get a good supply of extensions. Is that 3, 6, 10, and 15-inch extension, as well as your universal. Then we have the Gearwrench Scraper Set. I have this set. I haven't used it a whole lot just because I primarily use this for scraping gaskets, and they are extremely sharp, very well made. You just have to be careful when working with aluminum. You don't want to gouge into the aluminum or anything like that, but that's common sense. But overall, for $32, it's a great set. I really enjoyed that scraper set. So you got 5 stars at almost 300 ratings. Next up, you have a Gearwrench 56-piece 3/8 drive 6-point socket set. This is the 120 XP. You can also get this with the standard 84 tooth, I believe, from them. And this is SAE and metric for $100. It says the list price is $231. It's never that price. That's one thing you have to be careful when seeing deals on Amazon. When you see that list price, it's not always accurate. Like, I have never seen this set sold for $231. Sockets are good quality. You get some extensions, a universal joint, and your ratchet. I really enjoy the 120 XP, and so I think this is a great deal. You can see here you can get it in 1/4 and 1/2 inch ratcheting screwdriver set, 8.3 or 8.939, 640 ratings at 4.5 stars for $45. I had this set from Matco, which I believe I paid $100 and something for. So it's the exact same set, but you can save yourself some money this way. As long as, maybe you have a Matco dealer, it might be wiser to do that. You're paying basically double the price, but you're getting that warranty that might be at your shop on a regular basis. But it's a very nice set. Includes a lot of different extensions, flex extensions, and a good amount of bits as well. And then you can also get different size sets as well, which is new. I never even knew they had this option before, so this is really nice. So here you get a T-handle, a stubby ratcheting screwdriver, and they have a lot of different options here, but for $45, I think it's a great set. Next up, we have a Gearwrench impact socket set, and the Gearwrench impact sockets I have, and they are very good for the price. See here it says the list price being $180 or $155, on sale right now for $90. $90 is a great deal for this. It has almost 1,200 ratings at 5 stars, and they are all laser engraved. They do have stamp markings as well. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see that, but there are stamped sizings on there as well, so they're laser and stamped. Next up is the 1/2 inch drive set that I found. This is the one that I probably should have got. This one goes up to 30. I think this set goes up to 30 in both shallow and deep, and you get that universal joint as well. Now keep in mind that this does skip sizes, but it's still a very nice set. It's all the way from 9 through 24. It skips 25, you get 26 and 27, skips 28, 29, and you get 30. So still a great set, and $127. It's saying its list price is $230. Then you have the Lisle Master Disconnect set. Well, this is a very nice set. It's got a lot of good reviews, 3,704 ratings at 4.5 stars for $40, just under $40, normally $68. So a really nice set here as well. Next up, we have some Lisle tap sockets. This is $26, 4.5 stars at 2,800 ratings. These are great if you have a tap and die set and you need some tap sockets. This is a fantastic little set right here. I use this one at work all the time. Then we have the Gearwrench 1/2 inch drive 6-point metric universal impact sockets. This is running $105, which is a great deal. It says it's normally $256. Once again, I don't think I've ever seen it at that price, but $105 is still a really good price. You get 10 through 24 without any skips. So it's a great set. It's always great to have a set of universal impact sockets. They can be a lifesaver. They also have a 3/8 set as well, so keep that in mind. The 3/8 set running $91. Then we have the OEM Tools No Spill Funnel Kit. This is the same one that I have, but they've switched to a clear funnel instead of a lime green funnel. Other than that, I believe it comes with all the same accessories and everything. It's $18, 4.5 stars for 2,300 ratings. So really good there. Another great tool to have are your little S hooks for working on brakes, whether you're removing calipers and having to hang those, but they're very useful for a lot of other jobs as well. But it's always good to just have a set of these around. Very affordable. This set right here is just some off-brand I've never heard of, but you can't really mess up a piece of metal bent into an S. It's got the rubber caps on the end so you don't go scratching anything. Comes with spare caps, and 306 reviews for 4.5 stars. This is the Dewalt, and this is a great set. It's a 192 piece set. It doesn't come with a lot of those miscellaneous items. You get a good variety of Allen and Torx bits up here. You get shallow and mid-length sockets. These are not going to be deep sockets. I have this set. It's my main chrome sockets in my toolbox here, and they've been fantastic. I've had them for over 6 years. They've been great. They've held up very well. Now it also comes SAE and metric. Get your spark plug sockets, your universal sockets in all 3 drive sizes. You get a wide variety of extensions and adapters. From 1/4 inch to 3/8, 3/8 to half, those adapters. You get all of those. Then you get your 3 ratchets. The ratchets are good quality, but they are very bulky and very heavy. Those are the only things I don't have from the set anymore. I even use the Allen keys still. The Allen keys are great. So the ratchets are 72 tooth, but like I said, they're very bulky. But nothing wrong with them other than just being heavy and bulky. So this is $170 instead of $180. Here you can see the sockets that are included. If you would like, you can pause to see everything included. It goes through 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. So a very good selection of tools there. So that is it for this month's look at deals on Amazon for tools. I find these items, I've either used them a lot. Most of these items I own, and others are either items that I own just from a different brand, like the S hooks here. I mean, I have OEM Tools ones that are lime green. These are the blue ones. But 90% of these I use or own personally and have used over the last 2 to 5 years and really enjoyed. And I find these prices to be very reasonable for what's here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys think this should be something that I do every month, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.